Hey, assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome back to Pepe Update today. Now, previously we've been looking at the head and shoulders, and this head and shoulders is pretty much heavy at the moment. You've broken down, it went up, you came for the retest, and the retest also looks as if it's actually failing. But the question is, can this be a trap? Are we getting into a trap, or somewhat is this going to be a trap and then we're going to fall all the way to the pump to the upside, and instead of actually going down? Because the monthly time frame is looking good, is actually looking to reverse back in August. Maybe in August we're going to go back, and then the next correction can happen in September, because historically September is not good. And the official move for altcoins, or maybe Bitcoin itself, to go to 100Ks, 200Ks, that massive run that all of us are really waiting for, because all the world is really looking forward to see what is going to happen with Bitcoin, what is going to happen with all these other different coins that everyone is holding in their portfolio, may just kick off in October. And I'm not just saying this as a guess, but go back in history and watch what happens in October. October does look like the month that starts things off, it kicks things off. Thing is, are you prepared for that moment? Okay, because it's not very far. October is just around the corner. It's not far, it's just 2 months away. Okay, we are very close to October. And when I say, are you prepared, do you have good portfolio? Do you have coins in your portfolio that can actually be good enough to go for the next bull run? Not all the coins are going to go for a bull run. Let me also tell you that you may actually end up disappointed. And that's why when I say yes, the private is opened up, is because I also do not have enough time to maybe help you get the better coins for a bull run. And that's what I'm doing, because the bear market is still down. We still have cheap prices. And if you want to get into the private, you can get the private as a bonus. I'm going to tell you the coins that you can get for the next bull run, which probably are good, especially with looking at their tokenomics and whatnot. So Pepe is up here, and I do hope that Pepe comes up to 13,932, and then from here it actually goes and continues to move to the upside. One thing I can do to navigate the maximum time you have to wait is that if you turn on this, you have a bull cross, which is kind of tricky. These are the times where you just do not really understand what's going to happen. All of a sudden you have a bull cross, you have a retest which looks successful as well, because you broke above, made the cross, right? You came down and you're bouncing off the EMA, confirming that the bull cross is in play. But also at the same time, we have a head and shoulders, right? So EMAs are lagging indicators, and but still, we cannot ignore the EMAs, and we cannot ignore the bull cross all in all. So now that you have the cross up here and the lines coming up, you may have a trend line as well, which actually goes like this. Okay, so very, very soon enough, you're going to have a decision. So if I take this and we consider the EMAs as well, so this goes up here, the red one goes up here, and the blue one goes up here. So we're going to have a junction, right? We're going to have a squeeze between the trend line resistance and the lower EMAs, if it doesn't make sense to you. And the maximum time this can be is actually up until 1st of August, exactly the start of the next month. So we're going to have a squeeze on the new month. And if August is going to close like this, if July is going to close with a candle like this, maybe we can actually move up, because this candle shows we're going to go back up. It actually means reversal. Or maybe just dump a little bit and then go back up. Who knows, right? And that's all for the video right now. I'm going to see you the next one. Love, peace.